Course name Method of Money Management. The first class is referred to Introduction of Money Management. Welcome to our series on personal finance. Today we are diving into one of the most important skills that everyone needs, money management. Whether you are a student, a professional, or managing a household, mastering money management is the first step toward financial freedom. So, what exactly is money management? At its core, it's the process of effectively planning and controlling how you earn, spend, and save your money. It's not just about having more money. It's about making the most of what you have. The question is referred to all people is that why is money management so important? If we see poor financial decision can lead to stress, debt, and missed opportunities. On the other hand, good money management allows you to achieve your goals, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or simply living comfortably. Here are the key components of effective money management. The first one is setting financial goals. You know what you want to achieve in short term and also long term. The second one is budgeting. Create a plan for how you will spend and save your income. The third one is tracking expenses. Understand where your money is going. The fourth one is building savings. Prepare for emergencies and future needs. The fifth one is smart spending. Differentiate between needs and wants. This five rule and key is component of effective money management. The good news is that anyone can learn to manage money effectively. You don't need a degree in finance, you just need the right strategies and tools. There are plenty of tools to help you, from simple spreadsheets to advanced mobile apps. The key is consistency. Regularly reviewing your finance will keep you on track. In the upcoming videos, we will guide you through every step of money management, from setting up your financial budget to learning how to save and invest wisely. Together, we will build the foundation for a secure financial futures. So let's get started.